Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JAGX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very eventful day on this one, although as far as the annotations that I drew, nothing has really changed. Now, yes, of course, throughout the course of the day, a lot changed as the price was going up and down. But as far as, where things were left going into the day, everything is the exact same. We got a bunch of confirmation of areas, and I'll explain what I mean by that here. But overall, as far as new updates that need to be made, nothing of the sort, because the price ultimately respected all these levels that I talked about previously. And the first bit of confirmation that we got was that this green line here down at $1.75, which I talked about in the video from Tuesday as being an area of support. You can see that the price came down here, spent a little bit of time right around that green line. And again, that was a level that you would want to see act as support. And not only did it act as support, ultimately served as a very nice bounce point and sent the price all the way up through that initial area of resistance, which was a good thing. The problem is the price continued on up, and then that secondary area of resistance that I talked about right up there at $2 is ultimately what rejected the price back down. And I don't want to say this is, destroyed the chart, because that's not true. But yeah, the one kind of buzzkill was that instead of, just coming back down here and at least staying above that previous breakout point, it didn't. The price dropped right below there. Did try again, but wouldn't you know it? Right then, it went right back to acting as resistance before, pulling back to the downside. So that's what I mean by all these previous levels are right back to behaving as they previously were. So in the near term, still all about that $1.90-ish mark as an initial area of resistance. And then if the price can push up through there, then yeah, you can turn your focus back to the $2 mark. But again, on the good news front, price did a fantastic job of respecting and honoring that $1.75 mark. So from that angle of things, you're going to want to continue to watch that moving forward. But all in all, those remain the key technical levels to watch here. So let's see how this one plays out on Thursday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.